Okay, coming on here to review this Yeti shaker bottle. So let me just show you guys all the features it has. First of all, we take the lid off. Here we have some instructions in here, instruction manual. And then I believe my husband already used it, but so it's a little bit dirty. I need to clean this for him. But anyway, it's got a cool design. I love how it kind of like goes like diagonally a little bit. But it does have measurements over here, so it's easy for you to fill it up however much you want. And I also love how wide it is, so it's easy for you to get in and clean it. Like my literally whole hand fits in there, which is pretty nice, which I'm not sure why he didn't clean it. All right, so we have the top over here, got the lid that comes down and closes, which is perfect. And then you also have kind of like something to carry it with, kind of like a hook. And just screw this on. You can carry it like this or hook it onto something and then open it and drink out of that. So definitely like this. I also like that it's tinted. It gives it kind of like a nicer vibe. But yeah, great little bottle. Definitely recommend it. Really good for protein shakes. So go get yours.